Hello everyone, welcome back to the Phone Museum. Today we are looking at Xgody V40. This one is one of cheap new smartphone brand. Usually cheap smartphones are between like $100 to $200 or whatever. But this company is usually selling like $40 to $150, less than $150 smartphone for the new one. So I just wonder how this smartphone handle well or not. So I order the V40, which is one of the best lineup of Xgody. I searched Xgody's product and I found out there's three big different types. One is 3G MediaTek A7 quad core, and other one is also 3G network, maximum 3G network with Uni SoC A7 quad core or Spectrum A7 quad core, and this one, the mainstream, the high end of Xgody, is LTE with MediaTek A53 quad core. So this one has 2GB RAM and 16GB storage. Sounds not much, but for Xgody, this is like almost high end for them. And quad core A53 quad core with Android 10, they claim. And if I add a 32GB memory, then it's only like $5 extra. So I just add this one so I can use this for MP3 or media player kind of stuff. It usually covered with the plastic, but I already take off. So before open it, let's go back. In the back, their logo and manufacturer, their company name, I guess, and the location, zip code, number, email, and a website. And you can see it's made in China. Let's open it. Nothing, I mean, many people say made in China is bad, but even iPhone is made in China. So take off, and there's a phone. Take off this one. There were little nice protecting film and nice tempered glass. That's really a good choice, really. Like under $100. I think I pay like under $100, even include this SD card. And there was jelly case, nice. And user manual for English. And this is, wait, okay, I didn't know that. So some of them is battery removable, some of them is using pin. Okay, if removable. Okay, so I think this one manual share with many different smartphones, their manufacturer, and their different language. Italian is Espanol, Dutch, and I found out this UI looks like a Samsung TouchWiz from like Galaxy S6. Very interesting. Anyways, let's put here, and here should be USB cable type A to type C. Oh, most of their product is micro USB, but this one have a type C. And there's, I think there's charger, which is 5 watt slow charger. Anyways, let's put this one away. And I found some interesting is they put the little styrofoam to the power button. So when they shipping, the power button accidentally pressed, I guess. Oh, there's power, Xgody, and power by Android. As you can see, the top, it looks like a notch, but those are fake. It's more like bezel. And on the back, there's 5-megapixel camera, and these two are decoration, they claim. This one, they didn't say anything, but some the Xgody, their website, official website, they say those other cameras for the decoration. That's very interesting. And I ordered for blue, but they out of stock, so oh, okay. Interesting. I mean, I will make this booting video obviously as a short, so you guys can wait. And anyways, the blue was out of stock, so I don't want to wait like few weeks, so I just ordered black. But black, nah, it's slippery, and I thought it's gonna be grippy, but it's not really. And there's a QC check, interesting. Oh wow, that's loud. And there's a micro 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, speaker, Type-C connector, and this is 5 megapixel. I'm not sure if this is LED or not, I will check later. And as I told you, 2 GB RAM, 16 GB storage. Swipe up. Oh, it looks like stock Android. And yeah, I can say it's an Android Go. Oh, the resolution is 480 by 600, not 600, 960. Let's go setting. Oh, it looks like it's almost stock Android. System. About our device name, V40, as you can see. Oh, and Android version is 10. Yeah. Android version is 10. Okay, so I will try use this one, and then I will talk about it, how it works and things. Oh, let's check this is LED or not. Oh, the camera UI is very... Oh, so it is a LED. Okay, that's rare. There's a LED in front of front face camera. That's rare. Usually Samsung J series or the lower tier have a LED flash. How I can... Thank you for watching today, and hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. And I'm sorry, recently I was so busy to other stuff, so I cannot upload the video, and I'm sorry it's all outdated. I will try keep it as much as possible. Thank you so much, and have a nice day, and see you later. Bye bye.